Hi everybody, welcome to my very first video. I'm sorry for the bad audio, but I'm recording this with my HyperX Cloud 2 and it's a headset and the microphone on this headset is not that great. But if you like the video, maybe I will improve later on with the microphone and improving my recording skills and editing and that kind of stuff. But first of all, I wanted to make a video and help you guys out with Node-RED. So let's go straight into the video. So before we start the tutorial on how to make the automation, I wanted to say that I'm a beginner in Node-RED. That's the whole reason why I started this video and recording it. I wanted to take you into my process of learning, and because I'm learning Node-RED, I'm hoping that I can explain it very easily and very understandable on how the automations work and how I get my automations done. So maybe it's not the best, maybe I can improve some stuff, I don't know, but let me know in the comments and I will try to improve all my automations later on in other videos. So what we try to accomplish here is that when the Sonos is playing something, I wanted to stop it automatically when I play something on the Nvidia Shield. Because the Nvidia Shield here is in the same room as the Sonos speaker, I don't want to use my phone or yell at the Sonos speaker because it has a Google Assistant in it, but she never listens to us. So that's why I want to make this automation. And it's very easy. The only two things you need for it is a trigger state and you need a call service node. The trigger state should be the shield. So when the shield is playing, so the current state is going to playing. Give it a name. So shield is playing. Hit done. Sonos, put in a name. Sonos stop. The domain should also be media player because the Sonos is also a media player. The service is media stop. Don't use the pause. I tried it before, but the pause won't work on the radio. So you want to use the media stop. Then you search for media again, but in this case you take the Sonos speaker, hit done, put a wire in between, and take the top node because it says allowed. So if the shield is playing, it's allowed to go to the next one. You can also use don't allow or block in this case, but we will use it later on in different kind of automations. Hit deploy, and that's all there is. It's nothing more. It's two simple nodes, and now when the Sonos is playing something and you turn on the shield and play something over there, the Sonos will stop from playing. Very easy example. I hope you guys like it. If you think I can do something better like this, please let me know, and maybe I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.